Even in the pandemic year of 2020, India's import bill for crude oil and other petroleum products like aviation fuel was over $100 billion, which is more than 25% of India's total imports. This staggering figure will continue to grow unless alternative fuel sources are found or generated. The Government of India has a multi-pronged strategy to reduce imports by increasing indigenous production of biofuels to the Indian energy basket, like blending ethanol to petroleum by 20% and biodiesel to diesel by 5%. Multiple initiatives to increase indigenous productions of biofuels have been taken up. We travelled to Dehradun, Uttarakhand to visit the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, or CSIR's Indian Institute of Petroleum, for a first-hand look at the kind of research and innovations taking place in the biofuel sector. In this episode of Science for a Self-Reliant India, we take a close look at two crucial technologies from renewable sources and environmentally sustainable ones for producing biodiesel and the indigenously developed biojet fuel process for aircrafts. We also explore the technology developed and tested at IIP to generate helium gas, which India imports in large quantities. Helium is crucial for many manufacturing purposes and products. All these steps are part of the larger vision to strengthen India's economy and create jobs by leveraging science and technology.